Hello, it's good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is the second day of the week. This is Tuesday, the 8th. So, on this chart, basically, we'll start off with the chart on my screen. Today, I want us to use these two indicators, strictly the one on my screen, the moving average, and the custom one, the one at the bottom. So, the period for this moving average is 52. So this is 52 period moving average applied to the close price. It is a simple period moving average. So as it is now, you can see that the price is actually above it, but here we are seeing some signs that the sellers are in control. So technically the price should be heading to the upside, but because we've started seeing a sell here, we are supposed to step out of the sell we took previously. I mean the buy which you took previous. So if you took a buy somewhere here and the price has gone up and it's now showing us a sell here, you are supposed to step out of that buy and start expecting that this moving average should cross above before eventually going to the lower side. So that is that chart. The next chart I'd like us to have a look at is GBP USD. The GBP so far, it looks like the same thing is happening. We are almost seeing a reversal for a sell. You can see the red is starting to form on this indicator, but the moving average is still a buy. So technically this will give us an ideal place where we want to look for a sell from. If you took a buy with us previously, you're supposed to step out of that buy, but if you're not in a buy position as we're speaking now, you are supposed to be expecting that this moving average should cross above the candles, then we're going to look for a sell position. So this is my opinion on this set. We are still not doing anything except when the moving average crosses above the 52 period moving average. If it does cross above this line, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from. Our next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. We are in a very good downtrend on this chart. You can see that the price is headed for a sell. So technically this is a good place where we want to look for sell from, but if the price goes below this line, then this will be the most ideal place to look for a sell from. So this will be the place where we want to look for sell from, especially if the price goes and closes below it, below this trend line, then that will be the best place where I want us to be looking for a sell from. So that's those three charts. The next chart which we'll be looking at precisely, I want us to look at the Brent oil. We keep saying the same thing on Brent oil. We are still looking for a buy. We are expecting that the price may likely pull back to this point here so that we can pick a long-term buy position, expecting the buyers to push price upwards at least up to this level here. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, you are supposed to keep looking for buy orders, expecting the buyers to push this upwards at least up to this point. The ideal place to buy from is actually between these two lines. So that is that chart. The next chart is gold. With gold as it is now, we are almost breaking below the 52 period moving average, which means we are likely to see the sellers finish up the buyers. If the next candle closes below this moving average, then that will be a confirmation that the sellers are now in control. So we will be expecting more sell positions as long as the price is below this moving average here. So that is that chart. The next chart is the SP 500. With the SP500 so far, we are also waiting for a buy position, but if the price comes down up to this point, then that will give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So if you're on this chart right now, be waiting for buy positions from within these two lines. Expect the buyers to push us upwards with a first target fixed at this price. The next target is fixed at this price here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.